Hi, here we have nRF52 development kit. This development kit is based on nRF52 832 SoC system on chip from Nordic Semiconductors. This development kit is basically used to develop Bluetooth low energy, Bluetooth mesh networking, and thread and 2.4 GHz wireless application. Nordic nRF52 has wide range of cross compiler toolchain starting from GCC, IIR, Keel, and Segger Embedded Studio. And also the Nordic provides the full featured nRF52 software development kit with the Bluetooth central and peripheral and mesh networking stack, which can be used to develop the Bluetooth low energy based application in a very faster manner, and it supports Bluetooth mesh networking as well. We can create a Bluetooth low energy mesh networking which is a very boom domain for industrial and home automations, smart building automations, and smart industry automations. nRF52 development kit has wide range of features. It has been featured with the nRF52 832 SoC, which is an Bluetooth low energy and wireless processor based on ARM Cortex M4, and it has inbuilt 512 kilobytes of flash memory and 64 kilobytes of SRAM, which is an quite good amount of memory footprint to create various Bluetooth low energy and mesh applications. And it has the features of Arduino revision 3 compatible connector, which has over here useful to connect Arduino based shields on top of nRF52 development kits, and to get started or develop the interface driver for that Arduino shield in a faster manner, which this provides something like a direct pin compatible Arduino connector. Using the Arduino shields like GPS shields. For example, Arduino GPS shield can be connected over here, and we can add the GPS functionality added with nRF52 832 development kits. And also it has 4 user LEDs and 4 user buttons, which can be used for 4 buttons and 4 LEDs, which can be used for user programmable and to provide something like a Bluetooth low energy connection is established or not, or connection is in progress. Those kind of status messages can be targeted for this user programmable LEDs, and it has been provided with all the IO interfaces available via connectors of each and every pin of nRF52 832 has been provided over the connectors, which provides something like we can choose any pin for our product development, and we can run our target applications over here for the validations. And also it includes something interesting over here. It includes segger J-Link onboard debugger with debug out functionality over USB, which helps something like we can connect a USB mini cable and we can flash the program, we can debug the program, we can put the breakpoint over there, and we can play over the nRF52 832 SoC from the IDEs like Segger Embedded Studio, IIR or kill. And also it has integrated PCB antenna so that it does not need any external antenna. And we have the option something like one COM port of nRF52 has been connected over segger like a virtual COM port, so that whenever we connect the USB serial to our PC, we can able to visualize a serial port on our PC. And it also has the flexibility something like a drag and drop the firmware, so that the firmware get updated automatically. And apart from this, we have the flexibility to have debug out, which means that if suppose we wanted to use this board as a debugger for another platform, another nRF52 series like 52832 or 52840, 52810, all the series of processor can be debugged by connecting these connectors to other boards. We can do the development so that this board can nRF52 DK can be used as a debugger for our target hardware platforms. This eases and looks interesting, and to get started with the software development, maybe we can go forward with the Segger Embedded Studio and downloading and debugging the BLE application. Here we have an Segger Embedded Studio installed with license for Nordic devices, which is available at free of cost from a Segger Embedded Studio by registering yourself with the Segger Embedded Studio website. Here we have an Segger Embedded Studio installed over here, and I'm going to plug my USB cable into nRF52 832 development kit, and I'm going to plug that into host PC. Yeah. Once I plugged, I have that LED is glowing, which means it was on, and I can do the compilations over here. It provides like a full-featured compiler. There is no restriction of code size. We can able to build that build and generate the binaries for the complete range of nRF52 832 of 512 kilobytes and utilize the full SRAM of the SoC. There is no code size restriction added with over here. The Segger Embedded Studio and Nordic provides a license to get started with the development of Bluetooth Low Energy application based on nRF52 DK. And we got compiled over here, and maybe we can do the debug. Here we have something like we got our cursors get stopped over here, and maybe we can do some kind of a step over, and we can do step into kind of a different debugging, and we can play with the flashing debugging of Bluetooth Low Energy applications. Happy BLE and enjoy BLE. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries or questions or any feedbacks, you can feel free to contact me at nvhariharan@nivitech.com. Thank you. Enjoy BLE. Bye.